Hello everyone, I Dr. Ruchi Agarwal welcome you to web-based programming class. Today I am going to discuss about installation of web server. First we will be discussing about installation of Apache web server, then IIS Internet Information Server and its installation, then personal web server and its installation. So first let's discuss about installation of Apache web server. Apache HTTP server is one of the most widely used web server software available. A web server is the software that powers a website. It is an open source software that can be run on large number of different operating systems including Windows. So let's discuss all the steps along with the screenshots. So first step, if you haven't installed it, so what we have to do, we have to download Apache HTTPD web server from Apache website. So apache.org, download.cgi. You click on the downloading Apache HTTP server. Then you save that file to your Windows desktop. And you just click on this save button. This type of dialog box will be displayed to you. Then you click on MSI file saved on your Windows desktop. Here you have to click this file that is saved on your desktop, and when you click on this file, window will look like this. So this dialog box will appear. Welcome to installation wizard for Apache HTTP server. And then you have to click on this next button. When you click on this next button, then this dialog box will be displayed to you, license agreement. You have to click on this radio button, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Select this radio button and then click on the next button. After clicking on this next button, the screen will be displayed to you, installation wizard, and then again you have to click on the next button. Then this dialog box will be displayed to you. Then you have to fill in all the text boxes with the following information. Network domain, we will write localhost. Then server name, we'll write localhost. Then administrator's email address, you can write your email address here. And then you have to select this radio button. After writing all the required information, you click this for all users on port 80. You have to select this for all users on port 80 as a service recommended. You select this and then you again click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, this dialog box will appear. Here you have to choose the setup type that best suits your need. So here we will select this custom. Choose which program features you want installed and where they will be installed. Recommended for advanced users. So this radio button custom, you have to select and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, this dialog box will appear. Here you have to click on this Apache HTTP server 2.2.21. You select this, click on the change button. When you click on the change button, this dialog box will appear. Now we are going to install all the packages and script in the path C:\server/Apache2. Assuming C drive is your main hard drive. So in the text box, folder name, type in C:/server/Apache2/. The ending backslash is important. So here you will write like this, C:/server/Apache2/. You are changing your current destination folder. And then you click on this OK button. This OK button you will click. Then this dialog box will appear, ready to install the program. So you have to click the install button to begin the installation. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, then you click the back button or click cancel to exit the wizard. So we want to install further, so we click on this install button. Then once the Apache installation software has finished installing all the files on your computer, you will see a final window letting you know the installation was a success. And then finally, you have to click the finish button and your installation will be finished. This is how we install Apache web server. Now coming to Internet Information Server. The Internet Information Server is a high-performance web server from Microsoft. This web server runs on Windows NT 2000-2003 platform. IIS come bundled with Windows NT 2000 and 2003 because IIS is tightly integrated with operating systems, so it is relatively easy to administer it. Installing Microsoft Information Services. To install IIS web server, ASP.NET and IIS 6 management compatibility, we follow these steps. From your Windows workstation, select Start Control Panel, Programs and Features. On the left-hand side of the control panel, select the Turn Windows feature on or off link. The Windows feature screen opens. From the Windows Features screen, select the following options to install: Internet Information Services, Web Management Tools, IIS 6 Management Compatibility, IIS 6 Management Console, IIS Metabase, and IIS 6 Configuration Compatibility, IIS Management Console, World Wide Web Services, Microsoft Message Queue, MSMQ Server, and then you click OK to install. Your IIS will be installed. Coming to Personal Web Server, PWS. Two most common software platforms used to deliver intranets and extranets are Microsoft IIS and Apache. While IIS is available for use with Microsoft Windows NT and 2000 servers, Apache can be used on Linux, Apple Mac, and Windows operating system, making it a better choice for extranets and even web hostings on the internet. Microsoft also produces a cut-down version of IIS called Personal Web Server, which can be installed on a workstation. Microsoft Personal Web Server is a scaled down version of the commercial information internet server included in the server edition of Microsoft Windows NT. Designed for Windows 95, 98 ME and Windows NT workstation users, PWS is a great entry-level web server that makes it easy to publish personal home pages, serve small websites, and share documents via a local intranet. PWS is one of the best servers available for helping you to get up and run quickly. To run ASP scripts, PWS or IIS must be installed on Windows. A PWS is intended for Windows 95, 98 or NT. Installing any one of the web server mentioned above, one should create a folder called inetpub and a subfolder called www root on the hard drive. You can download PWS from the site given link http www.microsoft.com ms-download / nt option pack. Then you run the setup program and follow all the instructions as we saw in installation of Apache web server, and then your PWS will be installed. Thank you very much. Have a good day.